First confirmed in Britain in 2012,
Ash dieback is a disease of ash trees caused by a fungus.
ash trees across much of England are now symptomatic of ash dieback, and it is expected that most ash trees will subsequently die or be significantly affected. Currently, there is no known prevention or cure.
It most likely came in through the plant trade.
The disease originated in East Asia and has spread across Europe during the last decade. Visible ash dieback symptoms vary, but include leaf wilt, leaf loss and crown dieback, and in some instances,
Lesions on the twigs and the stem of the tree,
which directly contribute to tree decline and death.
Ash dieback can affect a tree in as little as 2 growing seasons.
As an ash tree declines,
It can also affect the structural timber within the tree, which can succumb to other pathogens and could fall in high-risk areas. Some ash trees appear to tolerate infection.
in these instances, we can use crown reduction or lopping instead of felling to encourage regeneration of felled trees and propagation of tolerant trees, which may lead to more tolerant strains in future. It's thought that the UK will lose around 80% of its ash trees. This will have a devastating impact on the landscape and biodiversity of our woodlands and natural habitats. The predicted cost of managing the disease is around £3 billion. This includes the practical expense of clearing up dead and dying trees and the loss of environmental benefits such as air purification.
In Hampshire, we have ash trees affecting our highways, our properties such as schools and offices, and our countryside estate.
So, we are dealing with the ash crisis in 3 main ways. Inspection. We inspect and assess our ash trees to see if they have ash dieback, to what extent they've been affected, and whether any action is needed. Action. We remove or reduce any diseased trees under a triage system. So, the trees most impacted or in highest risk areas are removed first. Where possible, we retain any trees showing resistance to ash dieback. Mitigation. We are also trying to mitigate for the loss of ash trees and its associated biodiversity. This includes retaining ash which is resistant to dieback or is found in a very low risk area. We also undertake replacement planting and promote natural regeneration alongside monitoring programs. The County Council are actively seeking to reuse the timber wherever possible. It will be turned into biomass for heating homes in large generators, go to the firewood market, and also in some cases be turned into beams and slabs for use in furniture. Before any felling takes place, we take wildlife surveys and engage with the local community. We've employed an ash dieback project officer to coordinate the response to ash dieback, and they are supported by staff across the council. For further information, you can contact us via email or visit our website.